What's up YouTube, it's your girl K9 back with another video. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, and if you've been here for the past few videos, welcome back. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we will be doing a makeup tutorial. This is my updated makeup routine of 2023. I feel like my makeup routine has definitely changed from 2022. I think I've dropped my makeup tutorial. I'm not sure if I dropped it this year or I dropped it last year. I probably dropped it in January. The routine definitely has changed since that video. I find it actually cringy to watch that video now because I feel like I just wasn't comfortable. I wasn't comfortable with my camera. The lighting and everything was, you know, not up to par. But we are back and I'm giving you guys an updated tutorial, and I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. Enough of me talking. Let's get right into it. I do have a couple of new products such as my concealer, my primer, etc. So I just finished washing my face. I tell you guys this all the time: before you do your makeup, it is very important for you to wash your face because you don't want to put makeup on dirty skin or like oily skin. Like, you don't want to put makeup on oily skin. That's how you break out. I like to use this cocoa butter to moisturize my face. I do use a primer, but this is like my main base that I use to moisturize my face because I have really dry skin, and this makes my face feel so good. Another thing now that I do that I never used to do before is, like, when it comes to my eyebrows, I don't really, like, you know, do my eyebrows as much. I feel like it depends on the hairstyle that I have in at the moment. But when I wear my natural hair, I feel like it's not necessary for me to do my eyebrows because it gives me too much of like a dramatic look, and when I wear my natural hair, that's not the look that I'm going for. I want, like, you know, a natural look. But when I wear wigs and stuff, I do like that dramatic look. So I do my eyebrows. I'm just gonna like shade them in just a little bit. I'm not gonna outline or put too much concealer. I'm just gonna like do under my eyebrows and then apply a little concealer. I'm not gonna do like the full eyebrow look. So I found that me doing this technique, it makes my makeup go by way faster. I never realized how much time I wasted actually doing my eyebrows. So yeah, just this, you know, a natural eyebrow look. I use this NARS concealer in the shade Amande, Chef's Kiss. Underlining your eyebrows is pretty self-explanatory. You know how you want your eyebrows to look, and I actually didn't do my eyebrows. I literally just shaded it in, and I'm applying concealer under my eyebrows. So just draw your eyebrows in your desired look and literally just underline it. So these are my eyebrows now. I barely did any work to my eyebrows. I literally just shaded in just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. primer. This is also a new product that I use now. I used to use the NYC primer, the Photo Loving primer, but it's actually good. I just wanted to try this for a vacation, and I've been using it ever since. Find this at Sephora, Ulta Beauty, any makeup store. Since I'm going for like a dewy look, I think I'm gonna use a little bit more than usual so that my face is, like, you know, really hydrated. Face feels really smooth. After moisturizing your face with your primer, you want to go in with your foundation. This is the foundation I use. It's NARS foundation in the shade Makayo. This is for like kind of brown skin. I'm actually moving slowly into my summer shade, so I feel like I'm getting just a little bit darker. So I might actually have to go get new foundation, but this is my winter shade. I'm a little lighter in the winter. When you're doing makeup, you definitely want to know your summer shade and your winter shade. So this is more like my winter shade. So in a few months, I'm definitely gonna have to go back and get like a little darker shade. I also don't apply any makeup to my forehead, just a little bit. I don't go in as much. This is my foundation on. I'm gonna apply a little bit, like literally just the access on my forehead, not too much. So I'm done applying my foundation. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is also a new product that I use now. It's called Born This Way Too Faced Concealer, and this is in the shade Butterscotch. This part is very important because you're basically highlighting your face. It is very important that you know which parts of your face to highlight. First part of my face that I want to highlight is right under this eye. Right under this eye. Public service announcement: I am not a makeup artist, y'all. This is just how I do my makeup. I don't know how to do other people's makeup. I literally just know how to do my face. So I'm watching this video. Hopefully you guys can learn a little something about doing makeup. This is how your face should look after you're done applying your concealer. I don't know what look you're going for. Me specifically, I like to go for like a bright under eye look. So I'm gonna apply 2 concealers. This concealer is probably like a little shade lighter than this concealer. You just want to apply that like right on top in a little corner like that. Another thing that changed about my makeup routine is that I used to use a sponge to blend out my concealer. Well, I still do, depending on how much is blended and how I like it, but I recently just started using a brush. I'll be using this concealer brush. It's from Real Techniques. I'm just gonna go ahead and start by blending in the outer corners of my concealer. I don't know if you guys can see, maybe I should get a little closer, but I don't go straight into like, you know, blending out on top of the concealer. I actually start by outlining the concealer. And when you're outlining your concealer, you want to make sure that you're going up. Like if you want that snatched look, I promise you, go up and your face will be snatched. Do y'all see that? Like I didn't even get into the actual concealer yet. Compared to this side and this side, do y'all see how it's already blending? This is when I just go in with my sponge and just blend out like, you know, any harsh lines. This is a new sponge that I got from Target. It's the e.l.f. blending sponge. Do y'all see that? Like, y'all like tell the difference from this side and this side? Like, we didn't even get to this side yet, but can y'all tell the difference from this side? I know I just said I stopped using sponges, but literally like the sponge just completes the look. This looks amazing. This just looks perfect. I know I look crazy right now, but trust the process. concealer is all blended out, this is how your face should look after you're done blending out your concealers. If you see any harsh lines, definitely go back and just like pat in those harsh lines, because we don't do harsh lines over here. After you're done applying your concealer, you want to go in with your contour. I use the Fenty Beauty contour in the shade Espresso. If you're anywhere near my skin shade or darker, or even just like a shade lighter, you definitely want to use this one. And literally, this is the only one I've used since I first started doing my makeup, and now I think it's like a year since I started doing my makeup, and look how much I have left. So you definitely get your money's worth. When you're applying your contour, you're basically like making a jawline for yourself. On this side, I definitely have a jawline, but on this side, I feel like I barely have one. So I'm just gonna go in. And contour definitely brings more warmth to your face, because as you can see, I look really bright right now. So it just like, you know, brings back that melanin to your face. Apply a little up here, even though I barely applied makeup to my forehead. So you just want to like tap in place. One thing about me, I love contour. Like, I just love contour. It just brings back warmth to your face, especially if you're one of those girls that like that bright under eye like me. After applying it, you look so white, almost like a ghost, and then you apply that contour and that shit have you. So at this stage, you're basically halfway done with your makeup. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more contour. And after applying your contour, your face should look a little bit like this, so like not too bright. Now I'm gonna go in with my setting powder. I use the Sasha Buttercup. I love this setting powder. I also used to bake while doing my makeup. I no longer do that anymore because I feel like this shade is actually light enough for me, so I don't really have to bake. And you want to apply your setting powder everywhere you apply your concealer. And just the access to the forehead. I think I have enough setting powder on, but I'm just gonna add just a little bit more since I'm not baking. So we're done with our setting powder. And then when you're done setting your face should look a little bit like this. The makeup is coming out good so far. After your setting powder, you want to apply your contour. I don't know what contour I want to go with. I don't know if I should go with the Fenty Beauty in the shade Mocha Mami or the Fit Hula Toasted. I don't know what look I'm going for today, but honestly, you can never go wrong with Fenty Beauty. I'm sorry. I've been trying to, like, you know, switch up my makeup look, but this right here, you can never go wrong with this. Like, never. And I'm never gonna stop using it. Like, it's so addictive. Oh my god. So when you're applying your bronzer, you're basically bronzing and bringing back that warmth to your face. The setting powder, you know, lightened up. So, oh my god, do y'all see that? Do I have to come closer? Like, oh my god, I think this is like one of my best makeup tutorials. I'm not gonna lie. And notice how like the look is still like natural. Like, just look. Oh my god, guys, I'm in love, and y'all can clearly see why. This just looks so fucking good. Oh my god. And I actually got this from a girl on TikTok. She's from the UK. When I seen her apply it, I instantly fell in love, because it's like, and I'm sorry y'all, OD with the contour. All right, I'm just gonna apply a little tiny bit to my forehead. So everywhere you applied your contour, you want to apply your bronzer. I think we're done bronzing. leave it up to me, I'll go all day just bronzing. I do see harsh lines. Like I said, y'all, we don't do harsh lines, so we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. I'm gonna damp this sponge just a little bit so that my makeup moves. Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. After you're done bronzing and contouring, your face should look a little bit like this. I'm gonna go in with my setting powder again, just to like reverse contour, just a little bit. We're almost done with our makeup now. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply a little bit of contour to my nose, just to like bring that shape. You want to be really careful while contouring your nose because you're basically creating that shape for your nose. I'm gonna go in with my lip liner. This is the NYC lip liner in the shade Club Hopper. Just gives it that volume. Not gonna lie, I literally just woke up and was like, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial today, and I'm not gonna lie, that might have been the best decision I made all day because we look the fuck good. I hope that you guys definitely take notes because I showed you guys all the products that I use. I showed you guys how to apply and etc. So definitely give this tutorial a try. Tag me in y'all videos, send it to my DM on Instagram and I'll watch it. But with this tutorial, you can't miss. You literally can't miss. I'm gonna go ahead and just brush off that setting powder. See how we're looking so far? We look the fuck good. So I'm gonna apply my lip gloss. This is the Butter Gloss by NYC in the shade Cream Brulee. I also mixed it with this lip gloss. It's also Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. Okay. I also have this eyeshadow palette. I use it for my blush. This color right here. It is so pretty. It's in the shade Amore and it's by NARS. And I'm just gonna apply it like a little above my bronzer. Now, last but not least, you want to set your face using this Morphe setting spray. Okay, now I'm going to take some right here. This looks beautiful. And this is the finished look for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You guys can definitely comment, you know, looks that you want me to do, products that you want me to try. Let me know if you guys learned a little something from this video. I tried my best to, like, you know, explain everything and show you guys the products that I use. But I believe that if you follow this whole tutorial, then you'll definitely get to achieve this look. Definitely comment down below more video ideas that you guys want me to do, because you know your girl is gonna get it done. But I'm actually in love with this look, guys. Like, it's natural. It goes with my hair. It's just so cute. But definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Okay, bye. God.